Hi, everybody. I'm Holly, aka the Scientology Geek, and it's been a long time since I put one of these out, but recently I got some new stuff from an ex member. If you guys remember Claire Swayze, she was the former member that I spoke with in that interview. A nice long two-ish hour interview. I'll put the link for that in the description, but I got a bunch of materials from one of her friends who was getting rid of their collection. All I have to pay is postage, shipping. So there will be 4 separate boxes, 4 separate videos, one for each box. But immediately, let's just get started with cutting this bugger open. Now, I know what the total combined thing is for all of these, but what I am unsure of is precisely what is in each box. I should be getting 2 more maybe next week or something along those lines. So, let's see what we have. Let's move this to the side. We have this book, which seems to be, first off, it's addressed from Dianetics. Oh, this is self-analysis. This is an old copy of self-analysis. Probably could have noticed that just from looking at the side here. See, it says self-analysis. But, so we've got that. Got old discs that we don't have anymore, so I'm literally just going to rip that part out because that is garbage. Body position, sound, weight, personal motion, emotion, loudness. And then on the back, we have tone, color, touch, smell, sight, and external motion. So I'm not quite sure what this is for right now. I'm assuming it's part of the book. But this is self-analysis. I don't know much about this. I'd have to read this to understand. So, just put that to the side for now. This is garbage, so this is going in the handy-dandy garbage bag. Now, second item on the list is a copy of Clear Body, Clear Mind. Oh, no, sorry. Whoops, I'm stupid. I just saw clear on the back and just thought Clear Body, Clear Mind. But no, this is Introduction to Scientology Ethics. You guys saw the green book that I had for this. This seems to be an older copy with almost someone who looks like a mix of Miscavige and Cruz on the back of it. So this one was copyrighted. Well, this version seems to be published from 1998. So it'll be kind of cool to see if I can notice any differences between the two. So we'll just skip ahead on to the next item. Next item up for grabs, the last item in the box. This is Clear Body, Clear Mind. This is an older copy. This is the drug rehabilitation book from 1990. This is used in the purification rundown, where you sweat out your toxins in a sauna, take heavy doses of vitamins, and work out on a treadmill. Well, just work out. I think the whole goal of the purification rundown is to be able to do like 20 to 30 minutes of jogging on a treadmill nonstop. But, alright, I know I said I was gonna do 1 video per box, but I'm actually tempted to break into the next one, but I'm not. So, I know this was a very short one, so from what we've got so far, we got Clear Body, Clear Mind, we got Introduction to Scientology Ethics, and we have Self-Analysis. I don't think I actually checked for when this copy came out. So let's see if I can find it. When did this come out? This version is from 1982. So, I'm looking forward to all of this. Oh, it's got a processing section in the back. Assists to remembering. Forgetter section. Survival factors. There's over 300 of these. 400, 500, 600. There's 696 parts to the survival factors list. That's list 7. There's also imagination, valences, interruptions, invalidation section, the elements, special session lists. So these are all processes that you can use. And then this is all about L. Ron Hubbard. So I want to thank you all for watching. Like if you like the video, dislike if you don't. I don't really care. Comment with your feedback or questions, good, bad, or sideways. And subscribe to be kept up to date on future videos. As usual, I will be putting the Scientology Discord server, as well as the QAnut server, the QAnut channel, and now I'm going to be putting in Claire Swayze's interview in the channel description. The description below. But either way, thanks for sticking around. I'll talk to all of you later. See ya.